In this video, I'll show you how to configure MKS XServer for an XPP Windows client workstation. MKS XServer enables you to open an XPP division and spec. You can determine if MKS XServer is running by checking the Hidden Icons section of your Windows desktop here in the lower right. If it's running, a gray X will display as shown here. To start MKX or to configure it, go to the Start menu or your app screen and look for MKS XServer. The XServer itself and the configuration window are launched separately. There are 5 items that you will need to modify: Communications, Global, Input Devices, Clipboard, and Fonts. We'll start with Communications on the left side panel. Click the Transports tab, then double-click TCP Unix. Select Enable this transport. Click Apply, OK, and Close. Next, I'm selecting Global. For MKS to start automatically when you log into Windows, check the box Load MKS XServer at Windows Startup. Then click Apply and OK. Next, I will select Input Devices. Uncheck Local Numlock Management. In XPP, functions are mapped to the numeric keypad on an extended keyboard. For this to work correctly from the keyboard, this must be disabled. Next, in the mouse area, I'm going to click Advanced. Here, click Mouse Button Events. This will allow you to use the mouse wheel to scroll inside of the XPP Style Sheet Editor. Click OK, and then OK again. Next, we move on to Clipboard. In the Selection drop-down menu, choose Clipboard. In the Target drop-down menu, choose UTF-8 string. This allows you to cut, copy, and paste between XPP and other applications. Then click OK. Finally, I'll click Fonts. I'm going to click Add to add a fonts folder for fonts delivered for XPP user interfaces. Click Add again and browse for the fonts folder delivered with XPP. In this case, XPP is installed on the C drive under Xi Enterprise XPP. Once there, click on the XC folder and then the XFonts folder. Next, click the Advanced button down at the bottom, click the Select All button, click the PCF button, and then click Add again. This is going to prepare the fonts and create a fonts folder as you now see here. Click OK. The final step is to save these settings. When you do this, the XServer will be restarted. Click Yes. This takes just a few seconds to restart. Once it's restarted, you can then go ahead and open a division and a spec. For more information, check out the XPP installation documentation at docs.sdl.com.